A long time ago, there lived a couple husband and wife. They have very beautiful daughter. The name is Bawang Putih. Her father was a sailor. He liked a long trip. They have neighbor is a widow and her daughter named Bawang Merah. The Mama Red was jealous to the Mama White because Mama White is rich. Same like Bawang Merah. Bawang Merah was jealous to Bawang Putih because Bawang Putih is more beautiful than her. One time, Papa White wanted to go to the city.
Mama, I will go to the city for some days.
I just want to say be careful in there.
Mama, Bawang Putih, I go first. Take care yourself. I love you.
I love you too. And be careful, Papa.
Be careful, Dad. I love you too.
And Papa White left them. A few days later, when Bawang Putih going to the river, Mama Red and Bawang Merah start their evil plan.
Poisonous Mama White.
Yes, I agree. We must kill her right now.
Mama Red give a poison to the food her made, and her give the poison food to Mama White.
Mama White, I made a fort for you.
Yeah, eat quickly.
Oh, thank you very much.
Mama White carried that food to inside the house and ate it, but she felt dizzy and faint.
Help!
A few minutes later, Bawang Putih come back from the river and see her mother faint on the floor.
Hey, I'm sorry. I can't give you again. Take care yourself, kid.
Mama, don't leave. Ma!
Bawang Putih cry hurt by Mama Red and Bawang Merah them laugh happily. A few days later, Papa White come.
Hello everybody, I'm home.
Papa, Mama, Pa.
Calm down. What's wrong with Mama?
Mama has been passed away.
A few months ago,
Bawang Putih, I want to tell you something.
What is that?
I want to marry with Mama Red. So she will to take care of you.
Okay, if that's what you want.
and Papa White marry with Mama Red, and then their life together. Not long after they married, Papa White want to go to the city again.
Mama Red, I want to go sell something in the city. Please take care bawang merah and bawang putih.
Okay, darling. I will take them well.
Bawang putih, bawang merah. What you want from the city?
I want many beautiful dresses, shoes, and jewelry. I just want a little rose from and you're safe.
Okay, I will get you. Bye bye, I'll.
Bye bye, Papa.
After their father go to the city, Mama Red and Bawang Merah begin to root Bawang Putih.
Putih, you must wash all it and all in of homework. Wash my clothes until clean like new. Yes, mom. Quickly.
Every day, Bawang Putih always abused by Mama Red and Bawang Merah. When Bawang Putih go to the river, she feel miss to her mother. Then Bawang Putih heard someone screams.
Help! Help! Help me! Can you help me, the sweet girl?
Who and where are you from?
I'm here. Can you help me? My leg injured because stuck in that brambles.
Huh? You can't walk? Okay, I will help you.
Ah, thank you very much, good girl. My name is Ikan. Oh no, I mean my name is best friend. What's your name?
Best friend? What do you mean? I'm so confused. My name is Bawang Putih. What happened?
Forget it, Bawang. I'm confused too. I was told to you that my leg stuck here.
I never have friend. Do you want to be my friend?
Of course, why not? We can be best friends forever.
Bawang Putih has a new friends. One day, Bawang Merah saw Bawang Putih chatting with her best friend. Then she heard Bawang Putih's friend and made Bawang Putih's friend to go away from here.
That is useless. Are you crazy?
Bawang Putih remember that best friend ever give something, and Bawang Putih feel guilty. Bawang Putih appeared dead, and then a miracle happened. On the grave turned up a gold plant, and the news heard by the kingdom. The kingdom sent a guard to take the gold plant for medicine. The queen.
We from the kingdom want to take the plan for Queen Medicine.
Yes, take it.
Okay, I will take it. I can. Who? You are third. Let me try. It's very hard.
The guard and Bawang Merah and Mama Red can't take the gold plant. Then came Bawang Putih.
Let me take it. Bawang putih, you must.
And Bawang Putih can take the plant and give it to the guard. Bawang Merah and Mama Red give an angry face to Bawang Putih. 3 days later, the queen has been recovered.
How you feeling?
I'm better now. I think you need to go to the girl and try it.
Yes, mom. I will go there. God, get me to that house.
Okay, friends.
In Bawang Putih's house,
Because the plan, my mother has been recovered, and I promise will marry with a girl who has been make my mother recover. So I purpose to marry you. Impossible. You must be wrong. No, you are the girl. Or accept my purpose? Yes, I accept.
Bawang Putih carried to the palace to meet the queen.
Yes, queen. Mom, I purpose to marry her. Are you blessing us?
Of course, son. I'm blessing you.
Tomorrow morning, the wedding ceremony is married.
I don't know.
Finally, Bawang Putih and the prince live happily forever.